So I have Jigaro Mosely. Where did you're a local guy, right?
I came from Anchorage, Alaska.
Anchorage, Alaska. Wow. How long did it take you to get here? How long were the flights?
So 3 connection flights took me about 15 hours to get here.
That's awesome. Well, we really appreciate you coming. What did you think of the business day of the Details R Certified Detail Training Program?
I think the business kind of set me, the information that I learned kind of set me apart from my competitors. Um, didn't know that I was going to learn that much information as far as marketing and how to reach customers. So I think that's really going to set me apart from other competitors out there.
Excellent, excellent. What about on Saturday? The trainers, which I'll recognize them shortly, but I know they trained you on the contact wash, paint correction, polishing, ceramic coating, and also how to put a paint seal on the car. What'd you think of the training on Saturday?
Yeah, that process, I didn't know the process at first, but I thought removing stretches wasn't like really possible. But going through that process and knowing the steps now make me feel more confident, and I know I can satisfy my customers.
Oh, excellent. I mean, look what you guys did. Look at this BMW X3. I mean, it's electrifying. We revived it, probably increased the value of this car by about $3,000. So, what about the interior today and the headlight restoration today?
Yeah, I think same again, knowing that process, knowing how to get odors out, knowing how to, apply ceramic coatings to the inside.
Definitely a moneymaker for you, and you learned a new skill.
Yes.
Excellent. Would you refer others to us as long as they're not going to compete with you?
Definitely. I think anyone that want to start mobile detailing or uh, open up a shop should definitely stop here first. Get the information because it's only going to set you apart from your competitors.
Excellent. Thank you. And you're in the military too.
Yes.
Thank you for your service. Greatly appreciate it.
For
Tomorrow's
support.
Memorial Day, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to celebrate.
Yeah. Thank you for your support. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.